guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carla the Natural, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my aloe and avocado deep conditioning mask. You guys, I do this mask when my hair is feeling super dry, when the weather is changing outside like it is now. This is what the mask looks like, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make this at home in just a couple quick and easy steps. Stay tuned. If you aren't already, girl, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you have that notification bell on so you don't miss any of the videos when I upload. All right, loves, sit back and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and picked me up an aloe vera leaf from Whole Foods. You can get this from Amazon, you can get it from Walmart, and of course Whole Foods. So we're going to go ahead and prepare the aloe vera leaf. So you just want to go ahead and chop both ends off of it. And we're just going to slice up a couple of sections. That's really all we need for this mask. So you guys, I've just gone ahead and added just about 1/4 of a cup of shea butter to my bowl, and we are going to heat that up once we get these aloe vera leaves prepared. So we are going to then go ahead and cut the sharp sides of this leaf on all of these sections. And then what you're going to notice that there's a lot of gel in there. So the easiest way to kind of get access to that is to just go ahead and slice it right down the middle of that. And the gel is a little bit tough, so it's easy to slice. So then once we have that open, we're going to go ahead and heat up our shea butter. So now that our shea butter is heated up, we're going to go ahead and slice the aloe vera gel and just put it in there. And you don't really have to bust open this gel. You can just go ahead and slice these in whole because we are going to put this in our blender. So now I'm going to go ahead and add just a bit of aloe vera juice to this mixture, and that's just to give it a better consistency. Now we're going to go ahead and add this to our blender, and you want to make sure you scrape all of that in there. And at this point the shea butter is probably starting to get a little bit solidified, but that's what we want. We're going to save this little chunk of aloe vera for later. So now it's time to go ahead and slice up our avocado, and you just want to slice this up however you can. It was hard for me to do this one because it was really mushy. Go ahead and add the avocado, and I'm going to take it over and I'm going to blend it for about a minute. And this is what we came out with. This is our aloe vera and avocado mask. You guys, this thing is so nice and thick, and we're going to go ahead and just pour it into an old container. If you have an old container hanging around, this would be helpful. This is just a container that I had for sea moss, so I'm just going to go ahead and add it to this container, and we are finished making our mask. Alright you guys, so now that we're done making our mask, it is time to start applying this thing all over our hair and getting these curls nice and hydrated. First things first, y'all, I'm gonna put a towel around my neck because it's gonna get really messy in here. And you guys, I want to let you know all the things that I have that I'm going to be using to apply this mask. I have this spray bottle here. I went ahead and put some warm water and added about 1/3 of the way, so about this much of aloe vera juice. So this is going to just help open up those cuticles to accept the moisture from this treatment. Go ahead and wet my section up with my spray bottle. So we're gonna go ahead and with a little bit of our aloe and avocado mask. It's a little bit runny, but if you are somebody who likes your masks to be super thick, what you can do is just put the shea butter in the blender with it instead of heating the shea butter up beforehand. This thing is literally defining the heck out of my curls. I love it. Alright you guys, so this section is completely saturated with my aloe vera mask, so I'm gonna move on to the next section. so now I am done applying my aloe and avocado mask. That little extra piece I told you to save, we're gonna use it now. So I went ahead and cut it in half. And this is just gonna go directly on the scalp. So we're just gonna like break it with our fingernail to let the gel come out. There's like a fine like layer over the aloe. Underneath there is just the gel. So we're just gonna take this and directly apply it to the scalp. This can serve as a detox and as a conditioning treatment. Go ahead and keep puncturing the aloe leaf because there's a lot of gel under there. You just gotta get it up out by breaking those thin layers off the top and exposing the gel. I really like to get my hairline, you guys, because I do style my hair usually in like a pineapple, and typically throughout the week I'm applying edge gel or whatever type of gel to my edges to try and smooth them down. And so it's just,
I got scared. I dropped my hot pocket.
So I'm just gonna get the nape of my neck. All right, you guys, so now what I do is I go in with my scalp massaging brush and I just put a couple drops of Jamaican black castor oil on it. That was a little bit more than a couple drops. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on a plastic cap. I'm going to let this sit on my hair probably for about an hour. Could be longer.
6.5 hours later.
All right, you guys, so I did rinse it out with cool water. This is what my hair is looking like. So I have no product on my hair and these are my curls. So you guys, they feel pretty soft and they look way better than they did before I did this treatment. And you will notice there's a couple of little like chunks from the aloe in my hair. And that's just because, you guys, the aloe gel is really, really thick and it will kind of deposit in your hair. But that's why I always recommend that you do this treatment as a pre-poo, so that way when you go in and shampoo, you get all of those pieces of gel out, and it just helps with that process of detangling, and it kind of smoothens the hair out and prevents excess damage from breakage when you're detangling. So that's why I love doing this before I shampoo. And like I mentioned, sis, you want to make sure that when you do rinse this out, you use cool water. You want to close that cuticle and seal in all the moisture from this treatment. And you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you try this mask out, girl, and I hope it brings your hair lots of growth, health, and moisture. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment down below, and let me know what you thought. Love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.